Hey guys, it's JD Slimes. I'm Justin, and today I ordered slime from people for the first time, so I don't know what it's like. And well, actually the second time. I ordered a slime package before and I made that into a video. Anyways, this time I ordered one slime package from the same person as I did last time, and I ordered one mystery box. But this is not a box, I'm guessing, and I don't know how the slimes are because I didn't open, and I'm pretty sure one's spilled already. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so the first one I have is this one, and something spilled or something. Ooh, a stress ball. So I guess she made this stress ball. She didn't tell me what was in it. I have no idea what's in this. It kind of feels, I think it's sand. Okay, so the next one I see, ooh, this is a slime. Okay, this is a slime. I'm sorry, Delaney. This is made by Delaney Burns, and sorry, but your smells are not good. Oh, okay. Ooh, this feels good. Like, I did not open these before, so I have no idea what they feel like. But this feels pretty good, but it just kind of smells weird. So, this has foam beads, and it has like a buttery, but not buttery, like consistency. And here's some ASMR. I ordered a 2-ounce, and I believe this is a, I didn't even tell you. Can you see that? I don't know. It looks like a, maybe 1/2 ounce, I guess. I don't know. But here it is. And it's pretty good. I like it. And there's not really any poking sounds, and it is a butter slime, as I think, yeah, because it spreads really good. And yeah, I really like this slime. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna just reach in if I can find the bag. I feel another slime, but I have no idea what's happening. Okay, here's this one. Oh, okay then. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Ah! Okay, I could deal with this. It's fine. I could just, yeah. It is pretty clear. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is good. Hold on. Oh, it's actually kind of more. And since it was a mystery, I didn't know what was coming. Like, I did not know what was going to be in there. So, here is this one, and it's pretty sticky. It's really stretchy. And yeah, I like it. I would give this one 9 out of 10, only because it's sticky. So, I didn't rate the last one. The last one would have been a 9 out of 10 too, only because of the smell. It smells kind of bad. This one smells ish. I don't even know what the smell is. Kind of smells like yeah, like an old lady perfume kind of, but fainted and moldy. I have no idea how to explain them, so I might be explaining it wrong, but oh gosh, it's sticking to me. Is that it? Oh no, there's something else in here. Oh god, there's slime stuck to it. Okay. So here's the next stress ball, I guess, and I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of like this one. This is thinner. It's like this is sand, I believe, and this one might be like sugar or something. Oh, okay. And I did not show this because she didn't want to put it in, but she also gave me the soccer ball, and don't tell I told you this, but I think she got it from the dollar store. It's okay though. It's okay. It's still is squishy, and I like it. So on to the next slime package. You probably already tell that it's fresh because it's in my book bag, and I did not open it yet. Okay. Okay then. This looks interesting. This is from my friend Jackie. It was mystery, so I have no idea what's in here. And yeah. Ooh. This is what I see first. It's this apple. Let's put that on the ground. Squishy. It's like slow rising, but not slow rising at the same time. I think it's pretty good. I really like it. There's like all this like stuff. Ooh, sunglasses. This must be an extra. See me without glasses? Okay. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, I can keep this on now. So I'm like, I don't even know what this is called. More of it. Oh, okay. This slime kind of spilt some paper slime on it. And this stuff is stuck to this slime. This slime. Probably, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's spilt. Okay, just gonna put that over there. Okay. Ooh. I hate when the slime gets stuck to the lid. No offense, like your slimes are good, Jackie. I'm just saying. I don't like when it gets stuck to the lid. It's like sucks. Okay. Ooh, this is like fluffy. With foam beads. And it smells like I don't even know how to describe a smell. It's like a good but bad smell. Do you know what I mean? And it's not really pokey, but it's stretchy. It's also kind of jiggly. And yeah, I really like this slime. And thank you, Jackie. I will rate this a 10 out of 10. I like it. What was I saying before? Oh, also, I will be doing a video. I don't know when this is going to be posted, but I will be doing a video on I ordered a mystery box slime from Etsy, and yeah, I'll just review that when I get it. Oh, here you are. Ooh, there's another slime. This is kind of like, it's kind of sticky. I think it kind of melted. Ooh, okay. There's some type of something in here. Get off me. Okay. Yeah, this definitely melted. And it looks like there's some fishbowl beads in here, and it looks like a milk slime with fishbowl beads. And it looks kind of glossy. So let me activate this. Okay, so here I have my activator. I'm just gonna, oh, okay, that was kind of a lot, but you know, it's fine. Yes. Activating. Activator's literally right there. So yeah, this is a jiggly slime with fishbowl beads in it. Feels kind of cool. I don't want to add too much activator. It's like fluffy and jiggly, and then it has some fishbowl beads in it, and there's like a bunch of different textures. It's stretchy. Still kind of sticky. Just gonna add just a little bit more. Okay, it feels good to me now. Pretty clicky. And yeah, I really like this one. It's pretty good. I would give this, besides its stickiness, a 10 out of 10. And the smell smells like, oh, I had this smell before. It's like a type of lotion, I think. It smells like shaving cream. That's what it is. It's shaving cream. I knew it was fluffy. Just knew it. So, yeah. I like that one. And like I said, besides the stickiness, I would give it a 10 out of 10. And, with the stickiness, I would say a 9 out of 10, which is still pretty good. Her slimes are still, you know, pretty good. Oh, yeah. I have no idea how many she's giving me, so, yeah. So, ooh, some coloring sand. It's pretty shakeable. Ooh, okay. I guess I will not know what type it is. I'm just gonna take this off, and ooh, there's foam beads. I just like ruined the mystery. Oh gosh, this looks really good. I really like this color. Oh yeah, the jiggly slime. I just love this color. This color is amazing. It smells like borax, but pretty quickly, clicky, pretty stretchy. Has some foam beads in it, so it's kind of crunchy. And it's just a little sticky. I mean, it's fine though. Then watch me get it all over my hands. My hands are also warm from today, and so some of these slimes might be sticky to me. And yeah, this is really good. It's pretty jiggly. But like I said, it's kind of sticky, and I really like the color combinations, and yeah, so I will give this a a 9 out of 10. You know what? The only reason I'm giving it, like, I'll do a 9.5. The only reason I'm deducting like a half a point is because of the smell. I'm sorry. I know you'd be like, you're probably like really mad at me now. Here is the container that it came in. And oh gosh. It's still kind of sticky and it's kind of, but I really do like the color. I love the color. That's like my best feature. Okay, so I am sorry about that. My phone died. Well, it didn't die. It's at 2%. I charged it. So now we're back, and I still didn't look at it. And I really want to know what's in here, so let's go further. Okay. Put that to the pile. Ooh, a lollipop. I'm gonna eat this now. No, I was not gonna eat this. Stop trying to. Don't think. Okay, so what's next? Ooh, a peach slime. It looks melted. So, it's gonna touch the top. Yes, melted. Okay, but I'm got it off, and now I'm just gonna activate this. Ooh, activator just spilled. I mean, no, it didn't. Mom, don't yell at me. Ooh, what's underneath here? I'm sorry. I'm like really impatient right now. Oh, there's something in here. Ah, gosh, it's kind of sticky. It's like, I don't know, they feel weird though. It's like a pearl, I think, maybe. Okay. And the reason why I'm going like this is because there's an activator on the table and it's kind of sticky. Okay. So, it's clicky. What? So, I want to know what's, okay, I'm gonna look. We're gonna see what's in here. What is this? Oh, it's a pretty oh my gosh, she gave me a charm and it's really pretty. It's like a peach diamond. That is so cute. Yes, Jackie, I love you. Thank you. This is so cute. It's why does there have to be slime all over it? Like, it's cute. What are these though? There's other stuff in here. What the heck? What is in here? Oh yes, a bead. I knew it. There are beads. There's like 6 beads in here. Wait, this one feels different though. This is weird. Oh, because it's a gold object. I don't even know what it's called. Ooh, this one feels different too. Another gold object. So she has like a part of beads and then that really cute charm that came in it. Yes. Anyways, pretty clicky. Ooh, it was kind of sticky, but then I activated it and it's not really sticky. Really stretchy. Sort of crunchy, I guess. I don't know why. Not really crunchy, but sort of crunchy. Ew. Smells weird. I swear, I like, if I know the scent, I would like tell you, but this, it's like a good scent mixed with a bad scent. Why? It's like lotion and like a bad scent. That's pretty much what it smells like. Like really good lotion and a bad scent. Oh crap. I got it all over my hands. Okay. Put that on. There's slime all over my hands. Okay. There's still stuff in here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I think it's melted too. These have been sitting in my school locker for like this whole day. Yeah, I got today and I did not open it. Oh crap. where do you get off the little, which is, okay. So it is, again, like melted. So right here is probably like really glossy slime. There's foam beads. And we're just gonna move out. I still have some on my hands. Like, will you get out now? Yeah, oh yeah. Got it out. Like, all of it out now. Smells like borax. Let's see. Oh my gosh, activator just like rolled down it. Like, yes, no, like no, no yeses. Okay. My arm is hurting from kneading it so long. I'm sorry, I need to do something with this other arm because my lid's on right. Like, what am I doing though? Still kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna. Right here. And I'm pretty sure after this one, it might be a little sticky, but it'll be okay, so. I again apologize. Like, this video is probably gonna be a long one, so yeah. Okay, this one I would rate. It's like really stretchy. It's borax scent though. I would rate a 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10 is what I would rate it. Oh, I'm sorry. There was a tree fire. An interruption. Okay. So, it is good now. And like I said, I'm out of breath. 9 out of 10. Is this like not... This is like not... Why aren't you staying in the container? Okay. Okay. Just gonna do this last one and we should be done. Ooh, slime activator. And it doesn't look like one of the crazy hearts. It looks like regular one you would use. And here's some of the slime that spilled earlier. Okay. There's slime on you. Like, seriously, stay. Okay. Gotta hurry quick through these. Gotta, like, just gotta go. Just gotta go. The foam beads kind of come out of this one. This one is, like, really good. It smells like borax, though. Automatically, I would rate this a 9 out of 10. Only because of the smell. And I like this one. Okay, there's that one. And that one looks pretty good. There's just something in here. What is this? This is not squishy. This is like a treat. I tried to squish it. It's like, okay. Here is a Minions keychain. And a donut eraser. Ooh, lifesavers. Some more donut erasers. A pencil thingy, and yeah, more lifesavers. So that was it, and a total of for today, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slimes that I got from people, and yeah, it was really good. And I'm just gonna go eat this now, so I will see you guys later. Bye! I'm just kidding. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.